Hey guys, it's Lynn Pratt. Thanks for joining me as I show you how I start my first steps of a new painting. I love having a clear desk and starting a brand new painting. I first take my hand-drawn line drawing and print it out to the exact size that I want my painting to be. I then put it on my painting and put some Sorel transfer paper under it. I like using a red fine-tipped pen to trace over all of my important lines and outlines that I've already decided and drawn onto that line drawing. That way I know exactly what main lines I need. By drawing it with my pen, I can easily see which areas I've traced over and which areas I haven't. And my Sorel graphite transfer paper perfectly transfers it to the drawing below. I tape my line drawing down only on one side, so I can easily lift my paper up and peek under and make sure everything has transferred exactly how I want it. Once I'm done, I take my lint roller and carefully go over my drawing, and it removes all of the excess graphite and smudges from the paper. By removing this excess graphite, then I can do large wet into wet washes, and when I add water over my trace line drawing, it doesn't smear graphite all over the paper. Now I'm ready to go and can actually start my painting process.